go. So you'll notice once you've completed your reading and writing assessment, they'll have little blue check marks here. All of the units are going to open for you. So the first unit is nonfiction. So that's where you should be now. This unit starts with a quick overview, which is excellent. If I click on there, it tells you kind of what we're going to be talking about, and then it gives you a little video into the introduction of nonfiction theory. So definitely take the time to have a look at that. Then every unit is structured pretty similarly. First you'll see here is we have a lesson on sentence basics. So you don't have to do the lessons in order, but it's going to make more sense if you do the lessons in order. So once you open up a lesson, at the very top, the first thing you're going to have is a time suggestion. This is just saying, yes, you could flip through all of these pages in 3 minutes, especially if you're like, actually, I know all of this already, you could flip through it. But it's just saying that you might want to take some time to take some notes, just like you would in class. So this first lesson is just reviewing grammar and sentence basics. So you could scroll through the lesson and click next to the next page, or on most lessons, there's also an opportunity to navigate on the right-hand side as well. But I'm going to click next, do this next lesson, click next, do the next lesson, click next. And what you might come upon is just some practice questions. So you're going to type your answers in here. So at the end of each sentence, write the word that is the subject of the sentence. So I know that in this one, it might be Brazil. Okay, and I can check my answers. If I don't get them correct, I can tell it to show me the solution or retry. It won't let you move forward until you've done this. Or, like I said, you can click on the right-hand side and it'll skip you ahead. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the unit here. So every lesson or every unit's going to have lessons kind of set out like this. And then, for example, here we have a quiz, and you'll notice I can't click this quiz open, and it's saying I can't do this quiz until this lesson is complete. So if I haven't completed this lesson, this quiz will not open. Then we're going to get into, there's an actual reading here that you're going to have to do, a nonfiction reading. So it's here for you. It's also a video because this one's a speech, so that's there for you. Okay, and then there's going to be some questions or something to do with that. Every unit also is going to have a forum. So each unit has one forum. This is a part of your overall grade. So for a forum, there's a really great video showing you how to post to a forum, but you're going to be given a question and you're basically going to be asked to write a personal response about that forum, about that question. And here's how you'll be graded. So there's a forum in every single unit. All right, when we get to the bottom of each unit, you're going to notice, as you can see, some of this stuff I've completed. So once you start completing stuff, you're going to get these green boxes as well as these check marks on the right-hand side saying that you've completed that task, is that we have a major assignment. So every major assignment is going to have an example and planning page first. So this is a really great tool to use. These are not worth grades, but it helps you actually work on and plan your assignment. And if you are having any trouble, you can book a meeting with an instructor and they can go through this planning with you. Okay, so if I have a quick look at this, hey, I'll go to page 1 of this. All right, there's going to be a video about, what's happening here in this assignment, maybe some more information, asking us some questions to make sure we understand. Here's an example of what you are going to be asked to do. Okay, and then on the next page, this is your turn to start kind of planning out your ideas. Okay, so every single major assignment at the end of each unit is going to have that planning. It's going to have that planning piece for you. Again, it's not worth marks, but you have to have it completed before this assignment will even open for you. So just know that that's coming. So that's pretty much it for nonfiction. If you have any questions, always reach out to an instructor and they can help you from there. Thanks.